Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee with chicory powder using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, your favorite coffee grounds, chicory powder, and fresh water. You'll also need your preferred brewing device, like a drip coffee maker or a French press. This simple approach ensures a delicious cup every time. Next, let's talk about proportions. A good starting point is to mix 1 part chicory powder with 2 parts regular coffee grounds. If you prefer a bolder, more intense flavor, you can increase the chicory to a 1-to-1 ratio. Make sure to blend them well to ensure an even distribution for optimal taste. Now for the brewing process. Once your coffee and chicory are thoroughly mixed, simply brew it as you would your regular coffee. Whether you're using a drip machine, French press, or pour-over, the steps are identical. Always use fresh, cold water to extract the best flavors from your blend. The brewing time will be similar. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious chicory coffee. Serve it hot, and feel free to add milk, cream, or sugar to taste, just as you would with traditional coffee. Chicory introduces a distinct, earthy, and slightly bitter note that many find delightful. Experiment with different coffee roasts to discover your perfect blend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.